Hi everyone, and thank you very much first of all for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one I am going to show you this simple Django based web application with the help of which you can find out whether a person has a mask on his face or not. Right, so you can use it at various places where you want to distinguish between people having mask on their face and people without masks. Okay, now how this application is used, how it works, let me show you that. So this is basically the home page of the application which you're seeing right now, and it's a one page application. So if I click on features, it will redirect you to this. If I click on details, it will show you the details of the application. Right, now coming back to the top of the page, we have a button with the help of which we can upload a pic. So we have some pics already downloaded on my device. So I'm going to choose this one which has many people right now in it, and let's do this open and detect. So it will take some time to find out people having masks and people who doesn't have mask. So as you can see, all these people it has detected, and there are no masks on these faces. Right, this also doesn't have any, this person also doesn't have any mask on her face, but yes, with 55.1.46 accuracy, it is showing us that it has a mask on his face, on her face. So it's not giving us the accurate result, but yes, it's giving us a pretty awesome result that we require. Going back, let me upload another pic. So I'm going to upload this one now. As you can see, everyone in this pic has masks on. Right, let's see what the application is going to give us as a final result. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us, it is able to detect, 4 out of 5 faces. Maybe this one is pretty blur. That's the reason the application hasn't detected this face, but no problem. So as you can see, for this person, it is showing us that yes, the mask is on his face. Yes, the mask is on his face too. There is a mask on this lady's face, and as well as, we have a, she is also carrying a mask on her face. And now if we go down, we can see the result like this too. So total number of faces detected is equal to 4. Number of faces detected with mask is 4, and number of faces detected without mask is equal to 0. Right, so this kind of detailed explanation also the user gets when he uses the application and uploads a pic on it. Let's upload another pic. So let's try this one. We have 4 people in this pic, and none of them have mask on their face. So let's see what this application will give us as a final result. Okay, so this time we have got 100% results. So as you can see, the application detected all the 4 faces, and it is showing that no one has masks on the face. Right, so you can see the accuracy rate over here, 99.99, 99.985. Right, so this is how this application works, and here you can find the details also. So total number of faces detected are 4, number of faces detected with mask 0, and without masks are 4. Let's go back and try it out on another image. So let's upload this one. So we have a mix of masks and non-masks images this time. Let's see what it will give us as a final output. Okay, great. So no mask, this is fine. She is having a mask on her face. Okay, here also we have a mask, this is also fine. Here also we have a mask, so this is also fine. But here the result is not correct, but yes, for this the result is absolutely perfect. So yes, we are getting good result from this application. Let's see what are we getting in the details part. So it has detected 6 faces, out of which 4 are carrying mask on the face and 2 are without any mask. Right, so this is how this application works. Basically, it's purely based on deep learning. Right, let me show you the code over here. So as you can see, we have two applications, right? This is the project folder in which we have defined the settings of the application. Okay, all this is the settings part. Then we have this face application which has this views.py, as you can see, right? Let me just show you the libraries first which have been used for creating this application. So there is something called face model, okay, which have been used, and then we have this predict function, or you can say class, which is used for predicting something, okay. And then this form has been used for the image submission purpose. Once the image gets submitted, automatically this form gets saved and the image goes to this directory, okay, and the final output goes to this directory, images underscore output. So we have just a second, I think I'll have to show it to you. Okay, so if you see here, we have the site, not this one, just, yeah. So we have two folders over here under media. One is your image input. So here the images which we upload on the application comes, and then when the application, after the web application processes the image, it sends the output image to this particular folder, from where it gets the image and shows it to the user on the front end, right? So this is how this part works. Fine, and then let me go back on the top. So we are using this hard cascade front face XML file for detecting the faces, whether they are carrying the mask or not. We have a face model also in place, right? So there are a number of tutorials which are shooted based on computer vision and libraries like TensorFlow and all. So you can check them out. Definitely you will be able to understand all the code very easily. So here we are detecting the face, and then we are trying to find out the mask over here with this code. Okay, this is where we are trying to find out the mask. Maybe possible there are some results which are not accurate. If we'll tweak this code a little bit more, we'll get more accurate code, but yes, more accurate result. But yes, it's pretty fine and it's working awesome, right? Awesomely well. So yes, this is the whole application, and this has been built purely on Django. In the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. So you guys can also try it out. If you want to develop these kind of applications, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. I will be happy to help you guys out. Thank you very much for being there in this tutorial with me. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.